Yo, what's up, guys? I haven't posted no videos in a while. Yesterday I had a $1,200 day. Pretty crazy, if you ask me. Never had a $1,200 day. It's fairly possible. $1,200 day isn't really much. You compare it to the professionals. But anyways, I'm looking. There's quite a bit moving. Market's hot. I'm looking at a SPRT. It's pretty parabolic on the daily chart. Since the $9 level, it's been pretty much straight move higher. Federal Reserve meetings Friday, so we'll see if they say anything at Jackson Hole that could cause a minor sell-off. If the Fed indicates tapering, obviously, there'll be certain sectors, certain stocks that take a hit Friday and maybe some follow-through on Monday, but expect that dip to get bought back up and a lot of stocks to trend higher. Yeah, I'm out there for a $90 gain. Got in here at 1502, sold at about 1520. Broke the pre-market high, 1535. Jumped in at 1542. Probably chased it. Could have waited for this pullback to get in on. Yeah, don't buy up top. I still have buying power though to average me down, but I need to see the price drop significantly against me in order for me to average it down. I want to see this body hold. Volume's rising. Let's get it. And I'm out there for another $90, $180 gain. I'm gonna jump in with smaller share size. I'm gonna jump in with 200 shares. I want to see what this pullback does. They're at 1528, 200 shares. I could still buy about, well, I'm only gonna buy 500, so I could either go in with $100, 100 share lots, or I could buy another 200 share lot, which will average out my average cost, and then I could jump in with one more purchase of 100 shares, or I could just get a lot of 300. Or if the stock, ends up pushing higher, I could just not buy any, keep my 200 and take profit. Times and sells is green. A lot of green on times and sells. Put an order up there at 1553. Actually, I got rid of it. Saw some power, buying power. Putting up at 1565. Man, that was quick. Price went up and came down. Now it's flipping. Should have added 100 shares out down there at 15, but all right. Build my position while lowering your average cost or your cost basis. If it breaks 15, I'll probably buy another lot of 100 shares. Lot of green on the times and sells. 1494. Nice. I need to see volume. I need to see the bid hold above 15. So yeah, my average cost is now 15.12 instead of 15.30. So almost dropped it 20 cents by me purchasing 100 shares down here and being patient instead of, buying some around this area right next to where I previously bought some shares. We'll see if buyers can keep the momentum. The last thing I want to see is like a huge bearish candle. I want to see either like a doji or a hammer, some type of candle that's indicating buying pressure. There we go on the flip. Again, though, a flip to 15.30 and immediately it came back down. But give it some time, let the orders come through. What is that, a new daily high? Probably surprised that more buyers didn't jump in after this candle. But what happened was they saw, how it hit 15. They saw that if it went from red to green and then it hit a high at 15.30 and immediately whiplashed and closed, at 15.15. So that quick whiplash to the high and then back down, most likely made a lot of people hesitate to jump in. Or else this thing probably would have broke 15.35. But it's holding this $15 level nicely. Green coming in on times and sells. Just gotta watch level twos. All right, I'm gonna try and get out for $30. Just give me 200. Yeah, the volume's not coming in. Now it is. All right, I'm gonna exit. $258. So about an $80 gain, and then there it goes. You can see it just rips. So yeah, I'm done for my day. But yeah, that's day trading. Literally, there's people that day trade the first 30 minutes, first hour, because they believe. Not really because they believe. It's kind of proven, but that's where a lot of the volume, a lot of volume, big moves, and momentum happens. At least if you're trading a certain kind of stocks. Yes, there's stocks moving up and down all day, making big moves all day. But based on your strategy, um, you know, the first hour, 2 hours might be the best for you to trade. And wow, look at that, almost 60 cents higher from where I sold. But yeah, it really just depends on the stocks you trade and the strategy. But me personally, I prefer only to stay on my debt. I would only trade for like an hour, 2 hours at the most. You know, even when I transition to doing this full time, I'll still be at my desk, an hour to two trading. Of course, there's I spend more time on my computer looking at charts and reading stuff. But as far as trading with actual money, probably an hour, 2 hours at the most. Because also, like, the more you sit at your computer, you just open yourself up, to more risk. Every time you enter your trade, you're putting yourself into more risk. But again, risk isn't bad. Risk is a good thing, actually. It just depends how you manage your risk, like anything. Um, but yeah, it's 6:43 in the morning. Been trading for about 13 minutes. I'm up $258. So I'm gonna call it a day. If you guys can hit the like and subscribe too, appreciate it.